Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Stack. Now this is by Glenn Kosky and it's due to be released on Monday the 25th at 10 AM Eastern. So we're going to go through this product. I'll take you into the members area. We'll have a look around. I'll show you exactly what this is supposed to do for you. And then we'll come back to the sales page and I'll discuss a few things on the sales page you need to be very aware of. And then I'll take you through the all-important OTOs. So guys, if you haven't been up to my reviews before, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. The idea of my reviews is you just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of product or service online. If you want to hear more on my types of reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell and I can let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's look at Stacks. Now this is supposed to be exposing a $2 trillion loophole and legally stacks $247 payments in our accounts again and again. So use your type of sales page here, guys, trying to get you emotionally, trying to make you lose a little bit of common sense when you're going through it, because basically everything on this sales page is false, guys, and I'm going to go through, I'm going to show you why once we've been into the members area. So let's look at the dashboard. Now if you've ever bought a Glenn Kosky product before, basically the dashboard is always as the same. It's the same product over and over and over. They just change a little bit of things here and there and then sell it as a completely new idea. What you're basically doing here, guys, is this software will build this site here. Now this site is a subdomain of newsmaximizer.com. Now the thing with subdomains is whatever content you put on here. Now this site is actually taking RSS feeds from other sites that are sharing their content around the web. So none of this content that you see on this site is unique. The second thing you need to be aware of is this is a subdomain of newsmaximizer.com. So you actually don't own this site. If they took their own site down, which has only just been registered, by the way, guys, it was registered in September of this year until September next year. If they decide not to renew that domain, your site is completely gone. So whatever effort you put into here will be lost. But the idea is you've got lots of different RSS feeds that are going to bring articles into this site. You've got various different categories at the top here you can put on here. And basically people are supposed to come over here, click on these amazing articles, and you'll see lots of different links here over to different types of articles. This is actually going straight to the Forbes.com site, so it's not even your article anymore. And then you're going to get lots and lots of money by people coming across some of the ads on these particular sites. For instance, if I just go here, click at the most recent, you'll see there's one for Wealthy Affiliate here, and there's a banner for Wealthy Affiliate up here. So basically you can put ads on the site, and this is how you're supposed to make money. If I click the Wealthy Affiliate ad, it'll take me over to the platform, and who's ever affiliate ID that is, they'll get the money if people come ahead and join Wealthy Affiliate. So that's the idea, guys, and it sounds good in theory. But the problem is you're not going to get any traffic over to this site organically. So nobody's going to come across this site on Google, and it's not going to rank anywhere on Google. You're going to have to share your link with somebody. And this is the problem with all of Glenn Kosky's products. They rely on traffic. Now it says here, free buyer traffic built in. So if nobody actually comes over to your site, obviously nobody's going to click and nobody's going to buy anything. So their idea is that you come along and you would use their free traffic solutions, right, that they have in their site. Now, I'm not going to go through each of these categories in turn, guys. This is just how you build the site. You've got the campaigns here, which is your overall site, and basically these are different sites that they've already developed on here. You've got the content here, which is where you actually build your content. Again, there's no need for me to actually show you how to do this. You can go through the training if you buy it. And then you have the category here where you go ahead and build those various categories at the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 categories up there. And then you've got the ads, and the ads are the Wealthy Affiliate type ads or any other kind of banner ads you want to put in here. And then last thing is you have a pop-up, and you can add a little pop-up to the bottom of the site that's supposed to get people's attention. So if I just come back here, there's the little pop-up, and if anybody answers this question, then the idea is they're going to start getting taken down the route of actually buying something. So that's kind of what the various categories on here do. Now the free traffic is the thing that's going to be the issue for you guys. Now if you come over here to their free traffic solution, Glenn always offers you some clicks. But you've got to think about what you do after he's had his clicks. So the first thing up here is a quick video from Glenn. Then you have the Affiliate Traffic Lab. Now the Affiliate Traffic Lab is a way that you can take sales pages and make them into super simple videos. It's a very poor product and it's not going to get you any traffic. I'll leave a review to the affiliate traffic link down below, guys, and you can understand exactly why I'm saying these things. Viral Newsjacker is, funny enough, the same type of site as this, where you're going to end up with a different site which is taking feeds from other news sites, and it actually ends up being the same site as this with the same problem. So again, completely pointless. Then you have this, click here for free traffic. So this is where I'm going to get my free traffic, and this is the same page that they've had on here for absolutely years, and all of these links don't mean anything. They're just completely random links off to totally different sites. Meta tag generator, meta tag analysis, SE traffic packages, completely pointless links. Then you have your free traffic trading here. Now you end up with going over to Triffle Traffic Bots, which is an equally useless piece of software. Now they do have some free traffic guides down here again. If I go to the free traffic guides, this has got some legitimate information in here, and you would go through this, and this is supposed to be their free traffic. Again, it's not built in. This is just an obvious guide about what to do to get different types of traffic, and you can go ahead and learn that on YouTube anytime. So again, it's not built in traffic anywhere, and then that's it. As far as the traffic's concerned, this is their solution. And it's not traffic, guys. It really isn't. If I just come back to the tutorials, they've usually got a few more traffic things in the tutorials. If I just come down and have a look at the bottom of the tutorial section, you have some traffic strategies here. Now these are just three videos that teach you various ways to get traffic. These two bottom ones here talk about free traffic. So again, guys, none of this is traffic actually built in. It's just the same as I do and anybody else does. You need to figure out a way to get traffic over to your products and services before anybody decides to go ahead and purchase, and this is no different. It doesn't matter how glitzy the website is, you need to learn the basics about getting traffic before you go down this route. So guys, this type of product is not going to help you make money any faster. All it's going to do, you're going to waste your time buying something that looks like nice and shiny, looks like it might attract people across to buy stuff, but if you can't get any traffic to it, you're really not going to get anybody over to purchase. I'm going to go back to the sales page. I'm going to show you something here, guys, that really gets me every single time I look at these sales pages. When you come down here, they've got some testimonials of people that are making money with this product. I'm blown away by what you can do with Stacked. I reviewed this software the other day as a newbie. I was stunned. I love done for you systems, and Stacked has everything rolled in. Just look at this, guys. These Bernie Madison, these are guys that you're supposed to trust to say this product is good. Bernie Madison is a stock photo. The old man spots attractive lady in grocery store. Daily joke, the man took his 90-year-old dad to the mall to buy, blah, 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 blah. That is a stock photo of this guy. Now, if I come back to this one here, this again is a stock photo. This lady here, come down here. It's a university photo. If I look at here, she's there, right? So how can you trust a vendor that is just going to blatantly mislead you on a sales page and tell you that these guys are making money with this software when they're just not, guys? It's just really, really poor. It's something that I cannot in any way support. Any kind of products that are going to mislead people the way this one is. I will do the OTOs for you guys. They are very, very scant information as usual. The front end is $17. You can get a discount on that. OTO 1 is the unlimited version, $67 down to $37. Unlimited what version exactly? OTO 2 is 100% done for you, $97 down to $47. This is the site they're going to sell you, and it's got a bigger gap in between here of nothing being actually brought over to the site. So this isn't great, considering you're going to pay extra money for it. The unlimited traffic is $97 down to $47. That's usually a pixel on their Facebook page, and if you don't know how to use retargeting, then that's not going to be any good to you. Automation, $67 down to $37. ATM, $197 down to $47. The ultimate is $197 down to $47, and the license rights is $67 down to $37. These are always the same on every single product, guys. They're not congruent with the product. They're just extra things they're trying to get you to buy, and then they're going to spend weeks and weeks afterwards trying to get you over to a high ticket webinar. I wouldn't get this, guys. This headline is complete nonsense. I don't actually support anything that they say on the sales page. I think it's very, very poor to be misleading people with what are quite honestly fake testimonials. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.